how to turn on notifications for Instagram. First off, I would like to say that I did this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always replicate the same thing on your iOS device as well. And as always, for more contents like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? And here we go. First off, open your Instagram application, and then from your home feed, go to the bottom right button or your profile button, and from there click the hamburger menu. That's the three stripes menu up on the right, and then choose settings, and from settings choose notifications, click it, and from your notification you can choose whichever preferences you want. You can set the notification for messages and call, live and video. If you are raising fund for anything, you can choose fundraisers, and you can also choose to turn on or off the Instagram notification itself. So for instance, I will click posts, stories and comments, and here I will set my preference to the likes notification to on, and I will choose from people I follow. And if Instagram just prompt your OS to be able to show notification, you can just turn it on, and from there you can set the preferences on iOS. That will be done granularly as well, so you can set whichever notification that you want to see on your Instagram. You can change the notification style and the sound as well. Here you get to be like listed the kind of ringtones and notification sounds that are available on your phone. You can choose from whichever one of them, and once you pick the one that you like, then just click it, and then you can go back to the Instagram from there, and you can set whichever value next, like for instance the photos of you, the likes and comments on the photos of you. You can set whichever one. I choose the photos of you, for instance, and then I go back, and that's pretty much how you turn on and off notifications on your Instagram. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. Cheers, take care and goodbye.